A cat, yeah. Okay, there's my cat. Bye, cat. Sick. She come. Hello my loves, welcome back to Brianna Rose. I'm Brie if you're new, and I help you create your best ever life. In today's video, I'm showing you my routine for getting realigned and connected to myself to help you feel good and manifest more magic into your life. Let's go. So the first thing I like to do to get realigned is meditate. Now, I like to choose one that raises your vibration, or one that's specific for alignment, connecting with your higher self, or, you know, just a law of attraction-y kind of one. This one was really good. If I can find it, I will link it below for you.
As you breathe deeply into this space, feel that energy expanding outward and moving up into the center of your heart. Breathing deeply into this heart space, in and out. Seeing that energy in the center of your heart growing, expanding.
The next thing I like to do is write out gratitudes for the moment, and then also my future gratitudes. I think both are really important when trying to align with your higher self and with the things you're trying to manifest. You need to be present, but then also be appreciative for the things that you want as if you already have them. Following that, I like to script and write out affirmations. I find rewriting my affirmations kind of makes them sink into my head more than just reading them. Yeah, and then I'm just doing some journaling. I like to journal what my life, my future life is if I'm already living it. So everything I'm doing and what my life looks like basically, or things that I want to happen. Another thing that really helps is watching inspirational videos on YouTube. I like to watch Leo Alexandra or Aaron Dowdy. They're both really good for getting a vibe up, or just listening to some Abraham Hicks.
I kind of make it work for me in different situations, and this can be applied to any part of your life, and you'll understand what I mean. So
welcome back to another video. My name is Aaron, and I help people expand their consciousness.
Or even just reading some good inspirational books, ones by Esther and Abraham Hicks, or Mike Dooley, or Louise Hay, anything like that. Jack Canfield. And cuddling a cat is essential, or a dog. Finally, something that really helps me feel grounded and connected is to go to the beach. You may prefer to go to a mountain or just a park or something, but the beach is my happy place. So just kind of sitting there and imagining myself being grounded to the earth and just being in the sand and in the ocean makes me so happy. So there you have it. That is everything I do to get realigned and get connected to my higher self and the earth. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video helped you out in some way. Please like and subscribe for more videos from me every Tuesday, Thursday and Sunday. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye my loves.